Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to cook a delicious Assamese style chicken fry with curry leaves, also known as Noroshingho Pat di Murgi Mangkho. The chicken in this recipe is prepared with roasted curry leaves and spice mix. So now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Chicken, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, tomato puree, black pepper, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, fennel powder, coriander powder, salt, sliced onions and oil. Now let's start cooking. Take a pan, add couple of teaspoons of oil. Once hot, add the curry leaves and lightly saute them until they become crisp. Take them off the pan. Now add the curry leaf in a grinder. Pound them into a fine powder and keep aside. Add 3 teaspoons of oil in the same pan. Once hot, add your ginger garlic paste and onions. Fry this on a medium flame until the onions are cooked. Add your tomato puree, salt and turmeric powder. Stir them continuously until the tomatoes are cooked and the oil begins to separate. Then add some fresh curry leaves and your chicken pieces. Stir them well and let it cook for a couple of minutes. It's time to add our spices: cumin powder, coriander powder, fennel powder, pepper powder and red chili powder. Also add your pounded curry leaf. Stir it well and open cook it for 10 minutes. Now add 1 cup of water. Stir it well. Cover and cook it for 20 minutes on a low flame until the meat is tender. Once the water from the dish has completely dried, our yummy Noroshingho Pat chicken is ready. The taste and aroma from the dish is so appetizing. The chicken is perfectly combined with the spices and curry leaf. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe from Assam. Do give this video a big thumbs up and see you soon.